Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing essentials. Sign into Steam on the PC you plan to use and confirm your OS is supported. Once done, update your GPU drivers and free at least 2 GB of disk space so the installer runs smoothly. Make sure you have purchase funds or access via a shared Steam library. This avoids interruptions during download. Then, open the Steam store, search Wallpaper Engine, and click Buy or Request Access. This kicks off the download process immediately. Once the download finishes, click Install and pick an install folder with sufficient space. You will run the app for the first time setup. When prompted, allow any system permissions so wallpapers can control display output. Next, choose whether Wallpaper Engine launches at startup. Enable it if you want persistent wallpapers. Then select a performance profile. High for visuals, balanced for everyday use, or battery saver for laptops. These choices affect CPU and GPU usage. You finish by exploring the workshop. Subscribe to items you like, then wait for them to download into your library. Once added, assign wallpapers per monitor, set audio reactive options, and configure pause rules for full-screen apps. This tailors behavior to how you use the PC. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Update GPU drivers, verify the Wallpaper Engine installation through Steam, and temporarily disable overlays or conflicting apps. If crashes persist, revert to a lower performance profile and test again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.